What's up, superstars? On this video, we're gonna be doing another UV-DTF demonstration. Again, we were walking by Target. We were looking for products to customize, and we saw this cookie jar, juice jar, whatever kind of 1-gallon jar that this is. And we're gonna go ahead and decorate this because this is something that UV-DTF can be applied to, which is glass. So this is, again, from Target. It's from Threshold. 3.9 liters, Target, made in the USA. Let's go ahead and do some measurements. So guys, when we were doing some measurements and trying to create the artwork here, I had a hole width of about 8 inches wide and about 8 inches tall till the lid right here. So I needed to make sure that my design is gonna be well within this realm here. You don't wanna press on two areas that are round and curved like this and right here. You wanna make sure it is nice and flat, so that you're able to press the design nicely. So in this instance, I really maximized the design. It barely fits. I would probably say that this is not a good job in resizing. I would make this a little bit smaller so that I have more room to mess up with if I'm going to mess up. So I went ahead and sized this at 6 inches. Again, I would probably do this at 5.5 inches to play it safe. But with that said, let's go ahead and do this demonstration. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the glass down, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it. So make sure you guys have a clean surface, and don't use any alcohol to clean the surface. I found that these transfers do not stick as well when it has a surface that's been cleaned with alcohol. So let's go ahead and put this transfer down, and we're gonna go ahead and peel at the corner. And this, guys, is not an easy transfer to apply and also create. You definitely can't do a sticker here, or else you'll be weeding all that vinyl out. And look at the details here, so it is gonna be hard to replicate. And this is also a challenge for me to apply because there's so many little drip marks and all those little details. Every one of those has to come off and transfer through. So it is challenging, and I want to make sure that it is not that bad. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it down, the middle down, I kind of make a curve. That's how I'm going to do this one. And I'm going to slowly press the sides down, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to press the side down this way. So I found this way being the easiest to apply, but you want to make sure that you also is nice and flat, or else you're gonna get some curve, some air bubbles, some pockets. See, I'm a bit high on the eye right here, but I think it's gonna be fine. I'm well within it. We're gonna use a squeegee. We're just gonna go ahead and rub it through. This has helped. You can use a credit card or a hard surface, but I've seen that some people have rubbed too hard and they've actually broken through the laminate and actually damaged their transfer. So this one has a felt guard, which really helps in protecting the transfer, yet you're still able to apply a good amount of pressure, because you definitely want to get all the air bubbles, pockets out of here, and you want to make sure all the corners, especially the corners, are tucked in so that you have a really nice peel. So let's go ahead and go through it. You know, saving some time and just going through it will help you in the long run, because you're not peeling back and forth and having to reapply corners and just having a chance to tear the transfer. So it is still a delicate item, and you don't want to tear this because this is very hard to remove. Okay, so now I got a good amount of pressure on here. I'm gonna go ahead and analyze the image. As you can see, most of the image actually drips down because of the drip effect. So I'm thinking that in order to peel this, just like my regular transfers, I want to go ahead and peel from top down. That's how I'm going to angle it. I think I'm going to get a higher success rate if I do that. So let's go ahead and grab a corner. All right, so this is the part that you got to be really careful. So far so good. Let's slowly peel away. If there's any areas that did not have enough pressure and it's going to peel back, I want to make sure that I don't peel too far away so that I can still recover, come back, squeegee it down, and start again. Just like the way that it drips, I'm going to be pulling down carefully. All right, guys. Wow. I can now breathe again. I had to hold my breath for a bit, but this is how it turned out. This is, wow, this is beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. The colors are just amazing, super bright. Man, I would love this cookie jar. So let's go ahead and break this open, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with this. So let's go ahead and follow me through. We're actually gonna be using this cookie jar in the front right here. So these are our sample packs. It's available on our website. So if you guys don't have anything to print yet, you can order a sample pack on our website. We'll get it shipped out to you anywhere in the US. Don't worry about it. If you got any small orders or anything you want to test out, you can also place it on our website, transfersuperstars.com. Upload your artwork there. We'll create a gang sheet for you, and you can get testing on your designs. We're going to use this to hold our sample packs. This is our front of our office. If you've been here before, you guys might recognize this area. And so guys, if you guys are here, stop by, you get a free sample pack. You can also give us a call if you need to. My name is Phil. I'll catch you guys on the next one.